After reviewing my first video on why I want to become a teacher, I realized that all of those things still hold true, but my views have changed and my motivation has shifted a bit in why I want to become a teacher, because before, all of my motivations were things about what I wanted to get out of it and what I thought would benefit me. But now, after seeing what I have experienced in the system of education thus far, I have come to realize that there are a lot of things that my students need and are lacking. They're in dire need of good, effective instruction, and there are a lot of inequities in the system of education. So my motivation has kind of shifted into being the change that these students need and having a larger impact on, really bridging the gap between what we're giving students and what they need. So that's how my motivation has shifted somewhat. It's occurred through my experiences thus far in this semester. I've gone through a bit of the hero's journey, and I seem to be in the stage of resurrection. So that's really helped to shape that motivation as well, because it showed me that I've gone into the unknown world and I've made it out alive, and I've seen the benefits and the development that have occurred within myself through that journey. So that just pushes me to continue the hard work and to see the positives and all that I can achieve when continuing. Thank you.